Rising Roots is just kind of my passion project. Growing up, I was never really interested in farming or agriculture. I knew that I wanted to do something hands-on where I could see the difference that I was making, and so food just became like a hub of hope for me. It makes me feel that I'm playing a helpful role. The Hopeful Harvest experience at Rising Roots Farm, the heart of it is to bring people here and to kind of build connections with the environment, with growing food and eating food, and just all the different ways that food can connect us with each other, with the environment, and with the world in general. We'll go on a little tour of the farm. I'll show them what I'm growing, how I grow it, and talk a little bit about the methods that I use to grow the food. We'll harvest as we go.
Cheers. Cheers.
I kind of want them to get in touch with all the different senses, so I want them to pick a cherry tomato and eat it. I want them to close their eyes and just kind of listen to what's going on around them and notice that they're not the only ones there. There's so much going on. All the different species that are kind of working with me and working with us to create the food that we love. Once we come back from the tour, I'll introduce them to the Honourable Harvest protocols from Indigenous writer Robin Wall Kimmerer. Take only what you need and leave some for others. Indigenous farming has a foundation of thousands of years of growing food. And in the flower garden, they'll get to pick their own bouquet, having the Honourable Harvest protocols still going through their heads. The future that I'm hopeful for is connections with people and their food and their health, with each other. I can see those connections getting built. I want my farm to somehow be a part of reconciliation and to get people interested in Indigenous knowledge. I also want them to go home thinking about food differently. How's it grown? Where is it grown? Who's growing it? And how meaningful it can be and what food could mean for them. There's so many beautiful things going on and the world's not so bad.